Alright, new pickup from Nike. I won this from the Nike app. Not Sneakers app, it's a Nike app. So yeah, this is a woman's Nike Dunk Low with the, I think, 20% recycled material. So finally no Nike branding whatsoever. Just a cardboard box. Taped it good. I don't have a flap to open this. Shoes a little damaged. But yeah, same little no Nike box. This is a different, like, move to zero, recycled product, 20%. So here's the shoes. Dunk Low Next Nature, 105 retail, white, sales the colorway. They don't come with any paper as well. Here's the shoes. Basically white, sale, that cheap plastic leather. Yeah, here it is. Not really too crazy, I would say. Then it has a little speckle. The midsole is 20% recycled material. There's some cheap quality dunks right here. Quality is really bad on these. Like, it's bad. But yeah, I hit on these. Maybe someone will want these for the summertime. Just all white and sail dunk. Yeah, let me know if you guys are feeling these and not feeling what Nike's doing. But yeah, another pair of dunks, the woman's. Quick pickup. I hit on those, so I'll take it. Yeah, subscribe. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.